Do you know which trading tools use a professional order flow trader to analyze and execute orders in the market? Ciao Traders! In this video I will show you the tools I use every day to trade the markets in a professional way. Okay, let's start from a market context, and with this I mean that first I try to get an idea about the situation of the market and trading sessions. For this purpose I personally use the market profile in combination with a classic chart because it allows me to see the structure of the market in more depth, as well as giving me real trading ideas that can then be filtered in the following steps of the process. The second tool I use to get a basic idea for setting up a market session is the daily and weekly profile volume, which together with the VWAP indicator gives me another important indication. Once I have identified an idea of trading, I'm looking for the correct timing to execute it on the market. To do this, I use specific tools to analyze the volumes traded on the market, the delta volume, cumulative delta, and the total volume traded. The combination of these tools, combined with the activity I see on the price ladder and the volume exchanged with the time and sales, allow me to execute my idea of trading on precise levels of prices and with a clear strategy. If you want specific study on the tools I used shown in this video, write it in the comment. Subscribe for more videos and follow me on Twitter for real-time market ideas. Ciao!